Alright, so hello guys, namaste YouTube, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. So time right now is around 3 a.m. in the morning. Plan was to leave by 2:30, but as usual got late. About time we start the ride and just gonna load up the luggage and then we'll get going. Also about today, we're riding to Goa, as you guys already know by the thumbnail. So yeah, let's get going. See you guys on the bike. All right, so time right now is around 3:45. We did plan to leave by 2:30, but yeah, us being us, the weather seems really cool, which is a great thing, at least for now. On highways, it is a really tough thing. Alright, I think the GoPro, yeah, it is working now. For some reason there was this error showing up, SD card error. It went away by its own. Anyway, my favorite Amboli Ghat starts. I just love riding this ghat. I just love it. I don't know why. And only during night time. Daytime it is not that great. Crossing the Satara toll gate now. Our plan is to stop at Kolhapur for breakfast, which is about 140 kilometers from here. That is going to be our officially very first stop. And for the first one, we kind of wanted to pull as much as we can. So yeah, about 250 kilometers or so from my place is a pretty decent thing for one go. We want to reach Goa as early as possible, so we have a bit of time to explore. Okay, so time right now is around 6:10, about 80 kilometers out from Kolhapur, and yeah, pretty much the same thing. Nothing really interesting to show, although really interesting for me to ride. So yeah, let's see you guys once we are about to reach Kolhapur. About 15 kilometers out from Kolhapur. Time right now is around 6:40. Such beautiful fog is all over the place. Now as the light is going up, the sun is about to rise, I can finally see the fog. Alright, so just after the Kolhapur toll, have stopped here for breakfast. This is the same place that we stopped last year, you guys remember, during the IBW. And yeah, it is crazy chill. The Apple weather says it is around 10 degrees right now in Kolhapur.
I was going really fast compared to my other friends, so they are kind of 20 kilometers back. So until then, let's have some breakfast, some tea, and relax for a bit. And yeah, that's about it. We'll see you guys when we are done with the breakfast.
Alright, so got done with the breakfast. The rest of the gang also came and they left also. But no worries, we will catch up with them in no time. Time right now is around 8:30. Over 90 minutes this break was. Usually when with bikers it is hardly like 30 minutes, 45 minutes maximum. At the crossing of the Nipani towards Amboli Ghat. Finally the fun part begins. Magnificent Amboli Ghat road. I just love this one. Just love this one. And finally the Amboli Ghat viewpoint. So finally reached the Amboli Ghat viewpoint. Amazing place, amazing road this one is to ride. One of my personal favorites, if you ask me. Then Nipani to Goa. I just love this one. And this is the viewpoint. Really amazing, right? Well, the true beauty of this road is going to start from here, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do, because it is just pure bliss, at least for me, to ride this, especially from this Amboli Ghat viewpoint to Sawantwadi. It is just amazing, too beautiful. So yeah, just going to wait for friends over here and then have some tea, water, and get going. Yeah, that's about it. So small tea break has been done. Friends भी आ गए और वो लोग आगे निकल भी गए, but we will catch them in a minute. Until then, enjoy the Amboli Ghat. Way too much traffic, way too much. Amboli Ghat with this many cars, I am saying for the first time, honestly. Oopsie, oopsie, excuse me. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna get past you. Crossing this beautiful town, really beautiful, Sawantwadi, full of greenery. Love it. We are back on, so we joined again at 66. I mean, no fun these are compared to the country roads or state highways. And we are in Goa. Feels so good. Turn right, it says, so we turn right. And we have arrived. Woohoo! So finally reached the property. Really peaceful. That's our snow wolf, that's our Audi, this is our villa. And yeah, pretty much done for the day, really exhausted. So yeah, we'll just go out for some dinner and that's about it. Tomorrow we are going for South Goa. And yeah, see you guys in the next episode. If you guys like the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.